I don't think there is such a thing as get rich quick.
High return, I will take it.
I abandoned my job in my country and I came here to Singapore.
Hi, I'm Olivia Higgins and we're about to find out how people invest in the better. Let's go. Are you a risk taker?
Of course, I will take risk. If there's a high return, I will take it.
So I'm guessing you're less of a risk taker, you're more risk adverse. Am I right with that?
Actually, yes. You are right with that.
I am a medium risk taker.
Okay, I like that.
I am a risk taker. I abandoned my job in my country and I came here to Singapore.
I love that.
I'm not very risky in my life, yeah.
So what does money mean to you?
Money for me is something that if you lack of, you are quite in a bit trouble. But it's not something I think that gives you happiness, yeah?
Money allows you to have freedom.
Money does mean a bit of security.
Well, money means enough for raining days.
I think also choices. It offers choices.
I mean, it doesn't have to be a lot, but it has to be able to sustain your life, support your family.
I think money is something that all of us are heavily dependent on, and we need it every day in our life.
Do you invest?
I do actually. Of course.
Yeah, I kind of invest. Not a good investor though.
Why do you invest?
Returns?
You know, they always say that don't leave your money in the bank account because it's not working harder for you.
Inflation is high, so the only way is to invest wisely.
I don't invest because I'm a student right now in Singapore, so all my money that I earned before from previous internships and my works are invested in my education right now and in my stay in Singapore.
That's
So
an investment.
That's an investment, right?
And how do you invest?
It depends, you see. There's actually I prefer to go every aspect of the asset, probably like insurance to cover yourself against inflation.
Just not worry about the ups and downs. Just let it happen.
Stock or one or two because it depends on market condition.
I don't think there is such a thing as get rich quick.
I have my own stocks, so I do stock picking as well as ETF and unit trust.
Partially in property, a small percentage in shares.
I think the old-fashioned way works. Slow and steady.
I agree. So what is financial freedom to you?
Okay, to me, financial freedom is firstly, I don't want to be tied down to mortgage. That's how I actually see financial freedom.
So at the moment, do you have any advice for our young investors?
For young investor, I feel that there's not much for you to worry in the market as long as you invest in the fundamentals. You actually done some research, you sort out some opinions from people, and you don't just go in panicking or like buying the euphoria.
Market crashes, what do you do?
I'll panic. I will really panic. I was like, oh my God, I'll scream.
So any final thoughts for our viewers out there?
Well, stay healthy and invest smartly.
Most importantly, in Singapore, we want to have a room over our head. Yes, so we definitely need to have a certain amount of money to actually do the down payment for our home. So that's the biggest ticket item. Otherwise, like lifestyle, travel, all this is just come secondary. As long as you invest in the long term, and you can ride out of this market volatility.
I think the most important thing is to be disciplined.
It's best to start young. You have the time to compound.